Hello everyone! Today I'll be working on my forehead to remove wrinkles. The first thing we do is to work the forehead in a circular motion with the pads of our fingers. You can use your knuckles to enhance the effect. We need to warm up the whole forehead. Next, we need to form a vertical roll of leather and squeeze it a little. This may not be easy to do, but the more you do this exercise, the easier it will be. Work the forehead from left to right, or vice versa, as you prefer. This exercise is great for removing deep horizontal wrinkles. If you don't massage often, you will feel a little soreness the next day, like after a workout. That's a good sign. Now we need to do the same exercise, but horizontally. Pay special attention to the areas above the eyebrows. There are usually more wrinkles there. Try to work each roll for about 5 to 10 seconds. We have already worked well on the forehead, and after a deep workout we need to smooth this area. Put your palm on the area between the eyebrows and slowly lift up to the hairline. First in the center and then on the sides. Let's do a couple more eyebrow exercises. A few stroking movements and we'll start working deeper. Knead the eyebrows, especially at their base. Then a few smoothing movements from the eyebrow upwards. And the last relaxing exercise. Put the palm of your hands on the forehead and spread them towards the ears. Write about your results in the comments and see you in the next videos.